Second bridge?
Probably. Probably. Follow me. Here's the flag pilot.
Oh, flag plot. Huh.
Now, here's the maps. Pretty old, as you can see. Now, click on these and point down this way. So we're going to go downstairs this way. Cut!
What? What? It's okay.
Okay, cut! Oh, never mind. Rolling.
David Spielberg.
Hey. Hey, wise guy. Why don't you be quiet?
Hey.
Now. You do not want to go down to the hangar deck. So I would suggest we go.
432 bridge. Nope. We gotta go this way.
Now we are going down an escalator on a carrier.
Got it.
What should carry? I have no idea what there is on. Now we're back on the hangar deck.
Hey, I have to show the hangar deck, right? Cool.